back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we have teriyaki ground beef skillet. This is a very quick and easy recipe. I think I say that about all recipes, but hey. We need 1 pound ground beef, half cup finely chopped onion, which I have got a lot of this already prepped, 3/4 cup of thick teriyaki sauce. So I just went to the grocery store, got some of this Golden Dragon teriyaki. It is the thick stuff. Stay away from the teriyaki that's I can't remember the name brand, but it's in a jar. It's thin and it's not really made for this recipe. 1/4 cup chopped water chestnuts, and you drain them, chop them up. Half a can pineapple, but we are not doing pineapple because I don't like pineapple. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, which we always have the minced garlic on hand. 1 teaspoon of minced fresh ginger, which I've already done that up. Some freshly ground black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of sliced green onion. The sesame seeds and the green onion are going on as garnishes at the end. And we are going to be having this teriyaki ground beef skillet with rice, with jasmine rice. Is it jasmine? Yeah. With our jasmine rice, which I'm actually going to throw the lid on because we're going to get this started now. And this is very simple with this kasuri white rice, and start and it goes, because this takes obviously a little longer than the 6 minutes it says on the pressure cooker, because it does have to build up the steam. So I'm going to leave you here and bring you over to the stove. Okay, we are ready to add in our 1 pound of ground beef, lean, or extra lean, I guess, whatever ground beef you like to use. We always use the lean. Had to double check because we do want to add in our onions at this point. It said a 1/2 cup. I went a little more than 1/2 cup because I was using up some onions that we already had chopped up. And as you notice, I'm using a smaller skillet than I normally do, only because it is a smaller dish that we're cooking up. Okay, I'm going to stop everybody here because we've all seen hamburger cook. When I'm getting ready or close to adding in the rest of the ingredients, I'll bring you back. Okay, the hamburger is done, and I actually don't really need to drain it. There's a little bit of hamburger grease in there, but not too much. That's why I like using the lean ground beef. Okay, now we are going to add in the rest of our ingredients. 1 teaspoon of garlic, our water chestnuts, our ginger, fresh ginger you can use. Ginger paste, it says in the recipe, and our teriyaki sauce. we're just gonna mix it all in. Whoops. Mine is getting hamburger all over the stove. Okay, we're just gonna let this come back up. Sorry, itchy nose. Just gonna let this heat back up, and then we're gonna turn it down to simmer for about 5 minutes while we wait for the rice. And the rice has about 2 minutes left. Yummy. Smells good. Okay. Well, while everything finishes, the rice and the hamburger, and that's the bell for the rice right now, we'll bring you over and put this all together, and then we'll be taste testing. Okay, we are ready to dish our supper. First thing I gotta do, we gotta let some steam out of our pressure cooker. Turn it off. Slightly too much water this time. That's okay, because it's all going down the hatch. And I like doing the rice this way because there's no guessing, no nothing.
Not 45 minutes long.
Well, and so I did that rice in that one recipe on the stove. It wasn't too bad. Okay. Smells good. Top with some sesame seeds. Green onion. Voila. We will see you over at the table for the taste test. We are at the table, obviously. It smells really good. Oh, it better taste as good as it smells. It is hot.
It just came off the stove.
No, it didn't. It's been a few minutes. Smart Alec.
Everybody can hear crunch, crunch, crunch.
Uh-huh. It is good. Now, I think I might have want to add in a little bit more teriyaki, but
And I think broccoli would be really good in it.
well, that's the thing. I didn't put pepper in it, but that's okay. With this recipe, obviously you can make it as big or as small as you want. Add as much ingredients you want. You're right. I think the broccoli. But I think next time is buy that same sauce, the teriyaki, but do like chicken or even steak. When we have leftover steak, do steak teriyaki stir fry because that sauce is great. We kind of got basic ingredients of what we need for like garlic, the ginger, onions. Yeah. So once again, another dish out of Cooking with Kevin. Thank you for coming along with me this week. And as I end up every week, I don't know what I'm going to cook next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Thank you very much. Have a good week. Okay. Hi folks, welcome back to Thursday Cook. Hi folk. Oh boy. Bloopers.